Rendang.
Rendang.
Repeat after me. I am goreng.
I am Evan. Wait, sorry, what?
All right, welcome back to yet another cooking episode here on JetLag Warriors. And Ivana and I are pretty excited to bring you this episode. So, as you guys know, 2 years ago, we were in Malaysia for Hari Raya and we absolutely fell in love with lemang. We even learned how to make lemang at Min House Camp, which is one of the best accommodations in the whole world.
Right.
And of course, as you guys know, rendang, the greatest food ever. So we are reminiscing on being in Malaysia a few years ago, and we are going back to Malaysia in 2 days. And with that in mind, I will want to say this. Big shout out to Mak Nyonya. They have sent us many different Malaysian recipes here, not the least of which is... So we will be making rendang, and Ivana found lemang at a Canadian supermarket.
Yes, I found lemang, instant lemang. So we won't be
Instant
cooking it
lemang.
with the traditional way.
It would really be
Unfortunately.
something special if we had bamboo on the barbecue and everything.
Yeah.
But we do have some instant lemang,
Yeah.
bamboo rice cubes with rendang. And for your viewing pleasure, we have invited 2 of my Canadian friends over
Yes.
who, one of them is really adventurous and he will love rendang, I'm sure.
I think
The other
so.
one might be a
Hope
little
so.
bit more tentative about the rendang. So I will tell them it's the greatest food ever made, and if they don't like it, they're crazy. But we will be cooking rendang and lemang for my Canadian friends
Ooh.
as we go
The pressure's
to
on.
Malaysia. I'm so excited to go back to Malaysia. Okay, let's cook and let's eat and let's go.
First thing first, we need some oil in the pot. And my mom actually gave me a bunch of dried, like frozen galangal, lime leaf, and I think this is bay leaf. But they're not fresh, of course. They are frozen, so. And then we'll put this rendang paste from Mak Nyonya. Thank you so much, Mak Nyonya. Remember what a Nyonya is? What
Nyonya is a Peranakan lady. Whoa, sizzle!
Oh my gosh, I think I need to lower the temperature. Oh my god! It's smoking! Oh! Smells good already though. It smells a little bit spicy. Alright. Are you okay, Steve? Let's add the beef. Mix it. Sorry, Steve.
Yo, I can't breathe. It's funny because it smells good, but it's just spicy.
Okay, and then we better add this coconut milk quick because I'm gonna make Steve choke. Woo, okay. Oh, it's a thick one. Again, no fresh coconut milk, only canned coconut milk, and this one I think it's from Thailand.
Can't wait for dinner, Ivana.
And that's it for now. Wait until it boils and cook the beef a little bit. Look at that! Oh, forgot something, a really important ingredient. Paprika to make the red color pop, and it's not spicy.
Oh, that's a lot of paprika.
And coriander. Actually, my mom packed this for me already, so I don't know if I'm supposed to add a little bit or a lot.
I will say this. A couple days ago on Easter, we went to Ivana's mom's house and she made homemade rendang. Like
Yeah.
proper homemade, not from a pack. And it was
Yeah.
maybe the best rendang I ever had. I ate the whole bowl. I finished
So
the whole-
actually, you can just use that pack, the paste, on its
but
own.
you're
but-
adding to it.
Yeah. So now you can see the color is turning red because I added the paprika. Cover our pot and let it boil and cook. And then in a bit, I will just heat up this dry coconut, make it brown, golden and brown, and we'll add it to the rendang in a bit. So See you in a bit. So while we're cooking the beef, I'm gonna prepare the lemang. It says Malaysia traditional delicacy right there. Step 1, rinse the rice cubes. Okay. And step 2, let's put the rice packets in the water. Oh. Let's rinse it again.
Hold on. We cook it in the
Plastic. It will make the lemang shape after.
Oh, I get it. Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. I don't know how it works. I mean, I thought plastic is not good in hot water, but anyway. Put the rice, and it says to mix it with the coconut powder, which is this. Ooh. Ooh, smells very coconutty. And then we have to leave it to a boil. You know what I forgot to add?
Uh-oh.
Lemongrass. Lemongrass. I actually found a fresh one at the Asian grocery store, so let me add it now. Okay, I am actually going to add a second dish, which is, it says ayam goreng here. So first thing first, we gotta boil the chicken with the paste to make it more flavorful. I think that's an Asian thing actually, to do the chicken or to cook the chicken that way. If you're barbecuing or frying chicken, ooh, you gotta boil it first. Just gonna mix it a little bit and bring it to a boil. Okay, I think the lemang is ready. So we're just gonna drain it from the coconut water and set it aside. And in the meantime, actually, I am also going to toast the dry coconut. And then we're gonna add this to the rendang. I actually don't know how much I should put, so I put this much. Hopefully it's good. Okay, now we're gonna add this to the rendang, which actually now it has thickened.
Yeah, it's really reduced down. It's
Yeah.
quite thick and a lot less liquid.
I actually don't know how much to add, so let's see. Wow, look at that. It's thickened. Wow. It looks nice now.
It's really starting to look like rendang. Before it was more like soup.
Right.
Now it's getting quite thick, and as we know,
Nice.
this is the most delicious food on planet Earth.
Wow. Steaming, steaming. Whew. And it smells good, no?
They should have a spa. In the spa, instead of like eucalyptus, they have rendang scented spa.
You'll be the only customer. I don't know about that. Okay, well,
Oh, it looks so good, Ivana. I will say this.
That smells delicious.
I will say this. My parents' kitchen has never smelled like this before.
Rendang here. I have never tried it before.
Rendang.
Rendang.
Repeat after me. I am goreng.
I am Evan. wait, sorry, what?
You can edit this, can't you?
Gonna have to.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good, right?
That's delicious.
So to be honest, this is my favorite food on planet Earth. Now this version, don't eat this. This is gonna be, this is like a lungo or something. This version is instant, so it won't be as flavorful and great as the authentic, but rendang is the most flavorful, perfect level of spice. My favorite food.
Still extremely tender too. Even for very tender.
good.
There you have it, guys. So what's your favorite foods? You're a good guy to invite over for the food video because you like Indian food, Jamaican food, all types of food. What would you say your favorite foods are? Hard to say, right?
I have a few that I really, really enjoy.
When you like spicy food.
I'm very big into like vindaloo, like Indian vindaloos. I like lamb. Lamb is my favorite. Just the quality of the meat and on the rice, the basmati and everything like that's very good for me. I like that. I'm also a big fan of rotis though. I really like West Indian. Like a good roti, like a goat boneless or bone-in roti.
You can make roti canai.
Roti canai.
Very good with dal puri. It's very good. I like the dal puri as well.
There you have it, guys.
What do you think, Evan?
Delicious.
What do you
It's
think, Steve? It's good?
it tastes very curried, like very, very close to a curry kind of thing.
Yeah, it's kind of like a coconut curry. It's nice because it's kind of spicy, but the coconut's very cooling, so it's kind of a double whammy there.
Very nice balance. Yeah, for sure.
All right, let's eat, guys. Cannot wait. All right, so I absolutely inhaled my plate, and I will say 1, 2, 3, 4 satisfied customers.
Very
Now,
satisfied.
to be clear, this was not the best rendang money can buy. It was instant.
It's only my second time making rendang.
Wait a minute, money can buy? Do I have to pay for this? Was that good? I would.
It was that good, I would. It was really, really good, Ivana. Now, unfortunately, Dylan couldn't make it. We do have some left over for him if he does come later, but I think he had dinner. But I think you nailed it, Ivana. For instant rendang, for your second time making it, and your first experience, what do you say overall?
Oh, delicious. Very, very, very good. Not overbearing taste. Very slight curry taste with a nice kind of cooling with it as well. I thought it was delicious. The meat was tender and it was great with the sticky rice.
This is a good review. This is a good review.
I'm surprised you like
If you had to
sticky
give it a
rice.
star count from 1 to 5 with a potential bonus star, how many stars would you give it?
I give it a 4.75. And the reason I give it a 4.75 is because that I know Ivana could make it on her own without the acquired help that she had here. And she could do it on her own in a different scenario.
Sure.
And I know it would be better. That was delicious, and it couldn't have been better.
right.
And it would be better if it was only homemade from scratch by Ivana.
Wow.
So we'll leave it up to the video editor to make 0.75 of a star. This is unorthodox, but we're gonna work on that.
4.75. 4.75.
All right, there you have it, guys. Big shout out to Evan, who did give me a present today. Came by as I'm leaving for my world journey. We're going back to Malaysia. Evan says, "I got you a gift. I got you a compass,
Yeah.
so we can never be lost."
Wow.
I will say this: lucky guy to have friends. Ivana and I go away for 3 years, come back with exactly 0 gifts for anyone. But when we're leaving, we get gifts from people who stayed here
we
all the
love
time.
you guys. The gift is all the videos and all the great travels you guys do and all the things you show us. Like, that is the gift. I would have to say that exponentially, that is the best gift you could give.
And you're welcome, buddy.
Thank you, Steve.
There you have it, guys. Tomorrow we'll get up and go, or the next day.
Yeah.
We'll get up and go back to Malaysia. Can't wait, and we'll try the real deal rendang. Best food ever made.
In Malaysia.
In Malaysia.
And lemang. Real lemang. Cooked in bamboo. You know, Evan? In Malaysia, this would
Hang
be
me,
cooked
Ivana.
in
I'm hanging.
bamboo.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Yeah, this is supposed to be cooked in bamboo. That's the
Like,
idea.
that's why the
That's
shape
what-
is like
Is
circle.
that? Oh, cool. I didn't know that. Interesting.
We didn't have bamboo, so we
Interesting.
just bought it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. That
There
makes
you have it,
sense.
guys. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.